Hello, Fruit Bat. It's Freely Banana Girl here. I've got a great way to further spread the fruity message. And what I propose is that from now on, you say fruit instead of fuck. So if you're in a tense situation and you want to say the fuck word, you end up saying the fruit word. And I just think it could be a great way to diffuse a tense situation, to spread more fruit, more talk about fruit, and it's also kind of like a compliment. I mean, of course, you can do whatever the fruit you want, but this is what I'm going to try. And it's going to go a little bit like this. You are such a fruit head. Oh, fruit me! Can you believe that? Why don't you just go fruit yourself? That was the best fruit of my life. I don't give a fruit. Oh, for fruit's sake. What the fruit are you talking about? You can go get fruited. I do not give a flying fruit what you do. Oh, fruit you then. So why do you give a fruit? Ooh, baby, you are so fruitable.
Go fruit yourself.